Welcome to our channel!
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, FemMNY here. And today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make another beautiful balloon bouquet for a birthday. It's for our friend and it's gonna be with these flowers right here. This is already pre-made, and again, if you want to know how to make this, we have our blog for this kind of flower. And what I did, I inflated 4 7" balloon. Green is chrome, and you attach this here and then connect it here and just twist. So this would be our base. I'm gonna pick another color, which is pink, and I'll inflate this same color with your flower. So this is a little smaller than the one on the base, so just tie them here. Okay. So grab the one of the balloon here and you tie them all together. Just like that. And for this project we also need transparent balloon, bubble balloon, and we'll fill this up with little balloons. Okay, now there's 5 in there, so I'm gonna inflate it. About this big. I'm gonna use a 260Q. This is one of my used one. And there's your bubble balloon filled with little balloons. So now we will attach this here using your 260Q right here. There you go, guys. Now it's attached. That would be your base right here, and we will put like some water weight right here, balloon weights. Later, that would be later. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add this here on top, and one here, and one there. So add little balloons here. Alright guys, so this time I made those little balloons that I pumped. I turn into clusters of balloon, and I'm gonna attach another 260Q scrap. Attached it here. Tie one in here, and the other one I tied it. So now this would be your clusters of balloon attached. Okay. So I pumped another little one just so I can put this here, and this can support your flower. Okay, so it's more sturdier. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna attach one of this balloon here. Just like that. Okay, and I'm gonna use glue dots. Okay, so now we're ready to attach our bubble balloon, our flower balloon to the clusters of balloons here to our bouquet. So I added some glue dots right there. As you can see, I glued dots right here. So that's where I'm gonna attach this balloon right here. So to make sure that this is really like sturdy, I'm gonna add more glue dots right here in the petals. 2 of these petals. So now it's here. So now add your clusters of balloon. There you go. And then we'll add this on the top. So guys, I'm gonna add the water weight right here. Remember this? Now we're gonna put it on the bottom. I should have done this ahead of time, but I almost forgot. So this time I'm gonna add 260Q green. We'll wrap it around our bubble balloon. Just like that, guys. So again, in order for that to stay, I'm gonna add some balloon glue dots, our friend. Alright guys, so now we'll connect this here. So now I made 3 balloons again for the bottom here, so I can attach it here, and it's more sturdier like that. Okay, it can support the back like that. So again, I'm gonna use our friend balloon glue dots. Now we're ready to attach this here. Okay. I'm gonna add more. Here you go. I'll put glue here too. Here you go, guys. Hope you guys like this. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.